Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the channel where we bring you the best tech tips and tricks to make your mobile experience better. In today's video, we will be looking at how you can double your Android phone's battery life by changing the settings. Here's what we will cover. Bluetooth and nearby device scanning, manage notifications, enable power saving mode, reduce screen brightness and timeout, turn off location services, uninstall or disable unused apps, disable auto-update apps. By the end of this video, you will have a phone that can last for a day. Let us get started. Bluetooth and nearby device scanning. First up, let us talk about Bluetooth and nearby device scanning. This feature causes your phone to continuously search for nearby Bluetooth devices, even when you are not actively using Bluetooth. It is handy when needed, but it quietly drains your battery. To disable this, go to your settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Bluetooth. Tap Visible to other devices to turn it off. By turning this off, Bluetooth will only search for devices when you manually activate it, and will prevent your phone from wasting energy searching for devices all the time, saving a good chunk of battery life. Manage notifications. Let's face it, while notifications keep us updated, they can also drain your battery. Every time your phone lights up for an alert, it consumes power, especially for apps you don't need to hear from constantly. To disable this, go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Notifications in status bar. Go to Manage Notifications. From here, you can turn off notifications for apps that are not essential. You can even customize which types of notifications to receive, keeping only the most important ones. Cutting down on unnecessary notifications not only extends your battery life, but also helps your phone run smoother with fewer interruptions. Enable power saving mode. If your battery is running low and you need to make it last longer, power saving mode is a quick solution. To activate it, go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Battery. Tap Power Saving Mode. This feature reduces your phone's performance and limits background processes to help you conserve energy. When you are in a pinch, power saving mode can give you those extra hours of battery life you need. Reduce screen brightness and timeout. Your screen is one of the biggest battery hogs on your phone. The higher your brightness and the longer your screen stays on, the faster your battery drains. Here is a quick way to solve this. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. You can also enable Auto Brightness, which adjusts your screen brightness depending on your environment. Additionally, shorten your screen timeout to ensure the screen turns off quicker when not in use. By lowering your brightness and reducing screen on time, you can significantly conserve battery life, especially if you use your phone a lot. Turn off location services. Location services can be a major battery drain, especially if apps are constantly tracking your location in the background. To manage this, go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Location. Either disable it or set apps to use location services only while using the app. This ensures apps don't track your location when they don't need to. Limiting location tracking not only saves battery but also enhances privacy by giving you more control over your location area. And install or disable unused apps. We often have apps on our phones that we don't use regularly or at all, but they still consume resources in the background. Uninstalling or disabling these apps can free up memory and extend battery life. To manage this, go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps Management. Review the list of installed apps and either uninstall or disable those that you don't use. You'll be surprised how much performance and battery life this simple step can recover. Clearing out unused apps reduces background activity and frees up system resources, resulting in improved battery efficiency. Disable auto-update apps. While it is important to keep your apps up to date, auto-updating can drain your battery, especially when multiple apps are updating at once in the background. To disable auto-updates, go to the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon and navigate to Settings. Select Network Preferences, then choose Auto-Update Apps and set it to over Wi-Fi only or Don't Auto-Update Apps. You can update them manually when convenient. Managing when and how your apps update can save both battery and data, while still keeping your apps in sync when you need them. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can significantly improve your Android phone's battery. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.